In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use fuel rewards at Shell. Open the Shell app or visit the Shell website. Locate your reward within the app or website and activate it. When you're ready to make a purchase, choose your preferred payment method, whether it's through the Shell app, card, or the key fob. At the point of purchase, scan the barcode provided in the app, on your card, or the key fob. Your activated reward will be applied to your purchase. However, you may still need to pay the remaining balance after the reward deduction. Shell Plus members can use rewards for a maximum of 5 individual transactions each calendar day. You can use more than one reward in a single transaction as long as they are different reward types. Only one fuel reward can be used in a single transaction. If multiple fuel rewards have been activated, the one expiring first will be applied. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.